This brand is made in America by Heat Controller, which is a part of Motors and Armatures Inc., and the units are sold in the USA through a very limited network of authorized dealers. All of their units have a durable baked-on finish to keep the units looking good for many years, while their louvered metal jacket provides good protection for the condenser coil from lawnmower debris and hail. The HRG-15 units are basic heat pumps with demand defrost for energy savings and reliable scroll compressors. They also have a composite base pan for quieter operation and are backed by a decent warranty, but it does not include total unit replacement in case of compressor failure, which has pretty much become the industry standard. The HRG-18 units are ultimate heat pumps with variable speed compressors as well as variable speed condenser fans for quiet and efficient operation. The units use R-410, a refrigerant which is not as earth-friendly as brands that use R-32. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy premium category. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your thoughts and experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and God bless.